Okay, what's up, guys? This video is just gonna be a whole bunch of stuff that I've been doing over the past couple weeks. Body work, getting prepped for primer, whole bunch of stuff. It's there's been a lot going on. It seems like every time I get through with one thing, I find something else that I want to work on or want to improve or want to clean or want to paint, whatever. It's just like a snowball. So anyway, I put this video together. This is just some gonna be some footage of me doing body work and trying to get this thing ready to paint. My son's been helping me in the shop here lately, so I haven't filmed a lot of that, but yeah, I kind of want to let you guys know what's been going on and kind of, you know, the progress that I've made so far. So we haven't really had good weather for painting. It rained today. We've had high humidity, so yeah, so anyway, just trying to get everything prepared for paint, and we're well on our way. So I'll just let you guys check this video out, and if you've got any questions or comments, please comment below, like and subscribe, and enjoy. Okay, so this fender's in pretty bad shape here. You can tell. This was I'm not sure what really happened here, but yeah, it's gotten dented pretty bad. But I've kind of identified the high and the low spots, kind of where it starts, where it begins. So I'll start pulling this out. So you can see right here, I'm doing a lot of pulling, and I'm not just continuously pulling. I was filing in between, but it turns out every time I would file, like right here, I'd get in front of the camera, so I just edited it out. So, but yeah, this one took a lot of work. So it was I was pretty proud of it too. It turned out really good. So. Okay, I've worked some of this out. It's not perfect. It's getting better. I'm gonna keep working on it. Yeah. It's turning out pretty good. I got a low. You can probably see it right here. Got another one right in here, and this one up here, which I was just working on. So I've got to straighten it out. And once I get those pulled, get them sorted out, should be ready to sand it down, get it smooth, and probably ready for some Bondo if it needs it, or body filler or whatever. But yeah, pretty pleased. It's turned out pretty good. Pretty straight, a lot better than it was. I'm telling you, when I started filing this thing, it was a nightmare. It looked horrible. But I think I've kind of got it straightened out, probably good enough for some body filler once I get these few dents worked out. And then yeah, and then I'll be ready to paint this one. Throw some primer on it and see what she looks like. Okay, got this thing about worked out here. Got it sanded down. A few scratches in it you may be able to see from the file, but probably throw some body filler over those just to fill them in a little bit. A few pits from the dent puller. Did find this right here. This was underneath this body work that was already done here before, from a previous repair job, I guess. So, yeah. So yeah. Anyway, this looks really good. It's pretty smooth. Turned out good. It feels smooth. Can't feel any of the bumps, lows or highs, really. So that's good. That means I think we should be able to put some body filler on it. Okay, that's what I've got done today. Small dent there. Big dent here. It was man, it was really bad. But yeah, all in all, it turned out pretty good. There was some body work done on this before. You can kind of see, I guess there was probably a dent here. So I've got a low here. I didn't work that out. And I've also, the body work I think extends back to here, but there's also kind of a dent here. So I'll just use some body filler and blend all that in. It's not a dent, it's just kind of a sort of a line, I don't know. Anyway, I just kind of blend all that together right there. I guess that's what I'm going to try. And if it looks good, then hey, we'll keep it like that. If it don't, then can always, redo it, I guess. So anyway, all right. So yeah, that's where it stands for today, and we'll check back in tomorrow and see what we're gonna get into. Got some got some body fillers setting up on this thing, and yeah, up here where there was a previous repair, it was really bad dented, and I don't know what kind of body work they did, but it was worse than mine, if you can believe it. So anyway, it was really bad. I wasn't gonna pull it out. It had holes in it and stuff, so I just put some body filler over it, and yeah, got some over these scratches I had here. So once I get that done, I'll sand all that down, get it straightened out. I'll get the bottom straightened up, and then I've got this right here where I put some more body filler on here, just a few spots, and we'll get it sanded down, and then I'll be ready to paint or prime the trunk lid and this other fender, and that way that's almost all the moving parts. I'll have to do the hood still. Oh yeah, and I put some body filler on the hood up here. I had a dent up here, and the dent puller won't pull aluminum, so I'm just gonna body fill it, and yeah, we'll get that sanded out and get the hood off. Probably paint it, I guess, and then we'll be able to take all the two fenders off and then prime the whole body. So that's kind of where we're at. What I'm doing here is I am inserting a small wire right here into the lip of the window seal. What that'll do is give me a good edge to tape around, and I'll also be able to sand all the way up to the edge there. So I'm just taking this stick here and just shoving this in here, just pushing it along. I can do it with one hand. That just kind of shoves it in there. So anyway, do that all the way around. That way we'll have a good edge to tape to.